Hi everyone, welcome to Happy Crafts with Kids. Today we're going to make moon sand. To make moon sand we need flour and oil. I'm using olive oil, but you're welcome to use any oil. If you want a more unscented one, you can use baby oil. And I'm going to use some sparkles. I bought these at Walmart, and this will just add some fun color to the moon sand. Okay, we're going to get started. So we're going to need 4 cups of flour and half a cup of oil. So I've already measured out the ingredients. So I'm going to scoop in the flour. And I'm going to pour the oil in. I'm going to try to put it all over just to make sure it mixes easier and makes it nice and soft. So I'm going to take a spoon and I'm going to begin mixing it. Moon sand is really good for sensory or if you just want to play with it. So I want to make sure that there aren't any loose parts of oil and the flour is nice and mixed before I go ahead and add the sparkles. So I'm gonna start adding the sparkles. Make it nice and fun. And I'm going to mix it all together. And then this is good because if there's anything that's not mixed, when I'm mixing the sparkles, it'll help it. So as you can see, it's all nice and colorful. So now you can go ahead and begin playing with it. Happy sanding! Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.